change your image on a blog in PIXTELLER Pro. If you don't put your image at the beginning, it will put one in for you. So I don't like that image. So I'm going to go here and it says change SEO details. So if you change the picture and you upload it, you can actually do it straight from ChatGPT without making it go to Canva. So then you double click it and it's on. So that's all done because I did it before, and then you just update it. And it was what is PIXTELLER Pro. So we're just going to show you the new picture. And that's the picture. So if you want PIXTELLER Pro with me and get all the extra training with colouring books, puzzle books, print on demand, and even ADA compliance, which is a free gift inside PIXTELLER Pro, click the link below. And I'll see you on the next video.